Why don't Jamaicans play hide and seek? Because good luck hiding when you're always at the beach. Now that's a joke to get us started. Welcome to the sun-soaked, reggae-vibed land of Jamaica, the gem of the Caribbean. Today we're going to explore one of its most loved resort towns, Negril. Nestled in the parishes of Westmoreland and Hanover, Negril's journey from a sleepy fishing village to a bustling resort destination is a tale worth telling. Imagine a place where the sun paints the sky with hues of orange and pink every dawn and dusk, where the 7-mile beach beckons with its pristine sands and azure waters, where the music of the waves is your lullaby. That's Negril for you. From its humble beginnings with the yacht club as its first hotel, Negril has come a long way. So buckle up, Mon, as we dive into the history and development of this Caribbean paradise. Once upon a time, Negril was just a sleepy fishing village, known only to the local fishermen and a few adventurous souls. Nestled between the parishes of Westmoreland and Hanover, it was a hidden gem on the island of Jamaica, untouched by the buzz and rush of the outside world. Its quiet beaches, pristine waters, and abundant marine life were the town's best-kept secrets, whispered only among the fishermen who cast their nets and the few explorers who dared to venture off the beaten path. But as the saying goes, change is the only constant, and Negril was no exception. The late 1950s marked the beginning of a transformation that would forever change the face of this humble fishing village. The first whispers of development echoed along the sandy shores as the yacht club, the first hotel in Negril, opened its doors. It was more than a mere building. It was a beacon, signaling the dawn of a new era for Negril. The yacht club was the first step in a journey that would see Negril evolve from a small, quiet fishing village into an enchanting beach resort town. As the hotel welcomed guests, it also welcomed change. The once quiet streets began to buzz with life, as locals and tourists alike flocked to experience the unique charm of Negril. But the transformation didn't stop there. The early 1970s brought with it improved road infrastructure, making Negril more accessible to the world. With each passing day, Negril was shedding its cloak of obscurity and stepping into the limelight. This period of growth was not without its challenges. Balancing development with the preservation of Negril's natural beauty was a delicate dance. But with each hurdle, Negril only grew stronger, its resolve unbroken, its spirit undeterred. And thus, the stage was set for Negril's rise as a tropical haven, a place where the sun always shines, where the sea always sparkles, and where the rhythm of Jamaica beats in every heart. The story of Negril is a story of transformation, a tale of a humble fishing village that dared to dream big. And as we'll see, this was only the beginning. The journey of 1,000 miles starts with a single step, or in Negril's case, a single road. It's the early 1970s, and Negril, a small beach resort town nestled between the parishes of Westmoreland and Hanover in Jamaica, is on the cusp of a significant transformation. The catalyst? A pioneering upgrade in road infrastructure. Before this period, Negril was a quiet, unassuming destination, its potential as a resort haven somewhat obscured by its remoteness. But with the introduction of better roads, the town's story began to change. Like a beacon shining in the darkness, the improved access pulled the world's attention towards Negril. It was as if the town had been handed a loudspeaker, and it was now ready to sing its siren song to the world. The new roads were more than just asphalt and signs. They represented a lifeline, a vital artery pumping life into Negril's tourism scene. The journey to this paradise became less daunting, more accessible. This accessibility was a game changer, a key turning point in the town's history. It was like opening a door to a secret garden, inviting the world to step in and experience the magic within. And step in, they did. Tourists, drawn by the promise of sun-kissed beaches and vibrant culture, began to flock to Negril. The town's popularity soared as the world discovered what it had been missing. The road infrastructure became a bridge, connecting Negril's pristine beaches and unique charm with the hearts of travelers worldwide. Today, the improved road network continues to play an essential role in Negril's story. It's the thread that weaves together the fabric of the town's tourism industry, linking its many resorts, restaurants, and attractions in a seamless tapestry of experiences. The road to paradise was paved, and the world began flocking to Negril. The story of Negril's rise to fame is a testament to the transformative power of connectivity. And for this charming Jamaican town, the journey is far from over. As the road continues to evolve, so too does Negril, always ready to welcome the world with open arms. 7 miles. That's longer than the Great Wall of China. All right, not really, but it's still pretty impressive. Now let's talk about the 7 Mile Beach, a gem that sparkles in the crown of Negril. Picture this, a sweeping stretch of sand, shimmering under the Caribbean sun, kissed by the azure waves of the sea. That's the 7 Mile Beach for you. A paradise that sprawls over 7 miles, hence the name, and offers the perfect blend of tranquility and adventure. Lining this exquisite expanse are the resorts along Bloody Bay and Long Bay. These aren't just any resorts. They are sanctuaries of luxury, comfort, and breathtaking beauty. They offer a front-row seat to the spectacle of the sea, the sun, and the sand, all singing in harmony. Bloody Bay, despite its eerie name, is a haven of calm and serenity. It's a place where you can lose track of time, lulled by the rhythm of the waves and the whisper of the wind. And then there's Long Bay, a stretch of beach that lives up to its name. It's long on beauty, long on charm, and long on memories waiting to be made. The resorts here are not just places to stay. They're experiences curated with careful thought and consideration. From the architecture that mirrors the beauty of the surroundings to the hospitality that warms your heart, everything is designed to make your stay unforgettable. Whether you're a thrill seeker looking for your next adrenaline rush or a peace lover seeking a slice of solitude, the 7 Mile Beach is the place to be. It's a wonderland where every grain of sand tells a story, every wave brings a message, and every breeze carries a melody. And if you're wondering what to do on a 7 Mile Beach, well, the possibilities are as endless as the horizon. You can soak up the sun, dive into the depths of the sea, or simply sit back and watch the world go by. And of course, there's always the option of building sandcastles. A 7 Mile Beach? Now that's a lot of sandcastles. From reggae marathons to marine parks, modern Negril is a bustling hub of activity. It's a vibrant tapestry of experiences, skillfully woven together with the threads of history, nature, and culture. In recent years, Negril has undergone a transformation. Its once quiet streets have come alive with a variety of resorts and restaurants, each more enticing than the last. It's a gastronomical journey waiting to be embarked upon, with mouth-watering jerk chicken, fresh seafood, and exotic fruits on offer. Adding to the allure is the duty-free zone, a paradise for shoppers where one can find everything from local crafts to high-end luxury items. It's a place where you can immerse yourself in the vibrant local culture while also enjoying the comforts of modern amenities. It's not just about relaxation and retail therapy, though. Negril is also a hotspot for sporting events. The town proudly hosts the Reggae Marathon, an event that draws athletes and spectators from around the globe. Imagine the thrill of running to the beat of reggae music, with the stunning Jamaican landscape as your backdrop. But that's not all. The town is looking forward to the future with ambitious plans for an international airport. This development is set to make Negril even more accessible to travelers, further cementing its status as a premier tourist destination. In essence, modern Negril is a place where the old and the new coexist harmoniously. It's a place where you can bask in the sun on the famous 7 Mile Beach in the morning, explore the bustling duty-free zone in the afternoon, and groove to the rhythm of reggae music at night. Negril today is a cocktail of history, nature, and culture, with a dash of reggae rhythm. Cheers to that! So, next time you're deciding on a vacation spot, remember, why play hide and seek when you can hit the beach? Now, let's take a quick trip down memory lane. Picture Negril, a beach resort town that's been on the up and up since the late 50s. It all started with the humble yacht club, and look at it now, a world-class destination that's only gotten better with time. Remember the road improvements of the early 70s? They were the game changer for Negril, opening up this paradise to the world and setting the stage for the famous 7 Mile Beach. And speaking of the beach, who can forget the resorts of Bloody Bay and Long Bay, or the private retreats along the West End Road? Fast forward to today, and you'll find Negril bustling with life. There's something for everyone, from duty-free zones to reggae marathons. And let's not forget about the future. With an international airport on the horizon, Negril's star is only set to rise even higher. And that, my friends, is the story of Negril, the beach town that refused to hide and decided to shine instead. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos.